All right, guys, let's get who are you? Squeeze you. Who are you? I'm the usual teacher for this class. But not anymore. What? You see, I saw you the other day trying to copy me, dressed up as a pink Power Ranger.
Wow.
And so I had to tell on you to the principal for identity theft. You're no longer at the school. Bye, Felicia. All right, children, let's talk about the hint first. So if we use Old Man Gauss's method of adding consecutive numbers, we can add from outer to in. The 9 and the 1 make 10. 8 and the 2 make another 10. The 7 and the 3 make another 10. And the 6 and the 4 make another 10. Voila! 5 is left. So your answer is 45. Now, children, let's turn our attention to the cross. The horizontal row and the vertical row both need to add to the same number. Now, since the middle number is being shared between both the horizontal and the vertical column, it means that the same number is added to each of them. So if we ignore it, we should still get the same sum because we're still adding the same number in the end. So let's ignore the middle number for now and focus on the outside numbers that I'm circling right now. Now let's talk about the solution. Let's keep our focus on the outside circled numbers. So if we notice, all the outer sums equal 11, which are all odd numbers. So if we add 4 odd numbers together, we will always get an even number. Now let's think back to our hint about the number 45. We were ignoring the middle number, so the outside numbers were an even number, and our solution is equal to 45. Remember, the only way we can get an odd number here is if we have an odd number to add back to the even number. If you notice, the middle number is 1 in this case. So that's an odd number. So even and odd would add to 45. Voila! That makes total sense. Now let's talk about the second solution. So if you notice the pink circles again, we know that each of them are even numbers. 2 and the 4 is a 6. 3 and the 1 is a 4. This is another even number. 14, even. 7 and a 9, 16, another even number. So once again, if we add 4 even numbers together, the result is an even number. So the pattern is the same from the first solution. We have an even number on the outside circles. And since the sum is 45, we needed an odd number in 5 to get 45. Voila! There you have it. And now for our third solution. 9 and the 1 is an even number. Even for 8 and 2, 7 and 4 make an odd number. 5 and 6 make another odd number. So if we have the combination of an even and an even number and 2 odd numbers together, we still get an even number. So I think you guys know the pattern by now, but an even plus an odd number equals the 45. That's why we needed the odd number of 3 in the middle. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I have 3 takeaways for today's lesson. The first one is for teachers. If you are doing it in class, please have students explore different number combinations and post all the answers on the board. It'll be fun. It'll get them up and going, jiggy, jiggy, puff, puff, and it'll get their math brains going. Number 2, it's important after they explore that they understand with the sum of 45 that the middle number will always be an odd number in this case. There should be a total of 5 answers for this problem. See if you can find the other 2. And lastly, number 3, if your students are boogity deep pop, try the numbers using from 2 to 10. How does that change the problem? I would love to see how your kids or your child does on this next problem. As always, please kindly, gently tap the subscribe button, hit the like button, and I'll see you next time on Math Challenge. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.